Yo, what's good? I got some Pokemon card packages right now, bro. 10. They're like random sets from Sword and Shield. And I'm about to do this opening video right now, bro. I'm not doing the card trick. I don't play games like that. Straight into the cards. We got Weedle. Oh, it's gonna be backwards? That's mid as hell. Wait, I'll just fix it in Photoshop. Not that other one. I don't remember what it's called. Premiere. Yo, dude. That's so chill. Where the fuck is my ring? Dude, mid as hell. That's mid right now. I'm not trying to pronounce that right now. It's some like bugs or something. Bro, I'm setting this aside. This is a chill ass lantern, bro. Oh, I got sandwiches. I need on camera. Fuck that. Mm-mm. Monkey. Bunny rabbit. Ice cream. Dude, he's chill. He's very chill. And that's my whole rare, but that's mid right now. Ooh, he got drip. Look at this drippy ass fellow. Damn. Swear. There's something good in this one. I don't know what, but it was hella shiny at the end. Pikachu. I'm sorry, bro. That shit sounded weird. When I said Pikachu like that, that was playing one too many games. Oh shit! What is that? What is that? Is that a? What the fuck is that? Draco. Man, Draco. The Draco. That's some drip right now, dude. He got the Draco. Sleeved up. Hippo. Dude, he is not chill. I'm not keeping him aside. He will not be saved from hell. I don't think I hit the cards. I might have. Oh, there's some hella shiny shit in there, bro. I'll be seeing that right now. Puccina. She giving me that put. Nope. She ain't giving me that Puccina. It don't happen. What is bro doing? Why he looks like that, bro? What the fuck is he doing? Bro, get that goofy ass look off your face. The hell? Bird? Whooper alert? Oh, that's so chill. What? That big bruh. Dude. And all this dog shit. Bro. I already have one of those, bro. That's literally a doopy. That's so funny. I'm gonna put them on the same page with my binder. It's gonna look funny as I'm gonna be flexing. Next pack. There was one Vivid Voltage. I looked. This is from Vivid Voltage, if you don't know. I looked. There was one Vivid Voltage pack. I'm like, all right, there's only one pack you can get the Fat Pikachu out. So surely I don't get. I got it, bruh. We sleeping it up. I ain't doing that right now. I'll do it later. Baniri. We starting it off strong with a bunny rabbit. Seaman. Man, you looking mid right now. Weird. Dude, ball of ambiguous descent or what? Dude, that's too chill. Oh, this pack looks chill. If I open this shit and there's a shiny in the back, I'm gonna be tweaking. Oh. It's the shaman from the front. It's literally the shaman from the packaging. Fuck that shit, go. That's so chill. He spawned. He appeared. Floatzel, he's also chill. One of my top 10 homies. Mm. Bug. So what are all these little children, bruh? What kind of sus you think I am right now, bruh? I'm not like that. Man, what the fuck? I swear to God. 3-pack magic. Yo, he's looking powerful right now. Damn. Jigglypuff. Let's go. The chillest melee character, perhaps. I need to clean these damn packs out of here, bro. They getting in the way. Now they on the floor. Genghis Khan. Genghis Khan? Wow. Oh. Don't steal my code cards. They're mine. I'll redeem them right after I'm done recording this. Fuck you. You better not be stealing my code cards, I swear. I will literally kill you. It's not some like, bro, this is not like this is not your normal Pokemon card pack opening, bro. This is not the code card for free. Whoever wants to get it first. No, sir. Damn. That's spiritly. Man, that's kind of mid, bro. Man, he's kind of chilled up, but he's kind of mid, bro. This is special. This, I would do something with this. Final pack. Most powerful aura coming from this. Most powerful vibes. Stizzy. Skitty. It says Skitty, bro. I'm playing. Your last teddy bear? Oh, that's kind of chill, though. I didn't know that was Hoopa. I just saw it was mid. That's Hoopa, right, bruh. Hoopa is like the chillest Pokemon. He is like my man. Hey, at least it's Hoopa. Is there a Hoopa full art in this set? I'm gonna be googling that shit here in a second, y'all. Darkness Ablaze, Hoopa, full art. No. Wait. Nope, it was Cap. There isn't. Hey, my bad, G. There ain't. No Hoopa. I recap. Recap. Chillest cards are the pulls, bruh. All the chill ones. We about to be showing the chill ones. Alright. We got the Chill Lantern. I would take this through the forest if I was like exploring and shit. We got the chill ferret. He is in a tree. We got Jirachi with the rainbows on him. He is chill. We got this fat motherfucker right here. He is obese. We got the 10 millimeter glizzy. We got the sphere from the unknown territories. Chill ass shaman from the pack. Moderately chill weevil with ice powers. And Hoopa. Man, I hope y'all all like that Pokemon card opening video, and I'll see y'all later.